Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily save emails to files on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also put your likes after watching the video and write your comments. So let us get down to our topic. If you have such a need to save some emails as a file, for example, in order not to lose them for better preservation, or so that you can forward them in the future, or you can print them out. So it's very easy to do. First of all, please open Mail to see all your emails. And then from the list, select the email you want. Click on it. Then at the bottom, select this third button. Reply button, click on it. Now scroll up to the top of the menu that you'll see. And down here at the very bottom, select the print option. Then you'll need to click on this share button at the top right. And then also scroll through the menu that you'll see. And here you'll see at the bottom, you'll see the Save to File option. Click on that. And now you can either choose some folder where you would like to save this email, or you can create a new folder as well. For this, you need to click on the three dots and select New Folder. Once you're in the folder you want, just at the top click Save. So this email will be saved in the files and then you can append the files. At the bottom, select Browse. Here you will be able to find the folder you want and your email in PIT format. This is the quick and very simple method you can easily save emails, files on your iPhone. Friends, I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and also write your comments. Bye-bye.